We have given that area is 48 square millimeters, and we have given that this is area of triangle, and this triangle has height 8 millimeters. We have to find the base. So let me remind you that the formula for area of triangle is 1/2 times height times base. In this example, we have given that A is equal 48 millimeters, square of millimeters, and we have given that height is 8 millimeters. We have to find B, base. So this is given. So now we can substitute to our formula that A is equal 48. We can put the units. So we have square millimeters. This is equal 1/2. The height is 8 millimeters times 8 times base. So 1/2 times 8 we can reduce, will be 4. So we have 48 millimeters, of course square millimeters, is equal 4 millimeters times B. Let's put this in parentheses. Now we have unknown B, so we will divide both sides by 4 millimeters we can reduce 4 and 4 millimeters with square. 48 divided by 4 is 12 millimeters. This is equal our B. So we can rewrite that our base of our triangle is 12 millimeters. This is my solution.